Can I ask one of the panelists to... Yep.
Yes,
Okay,
we
cool.
can see.
And you can all hear me fine. Great. Okay. Welcome everyone to another exciting round of Telnix webinars, although this time it's not really just a Telnix webinar. We've got a special event. So we are co-hosting with our customer slash strategic partner, Bicom Systems. I'm going to let them start introducing themselves in a moment. Again, for those of you who haven't been to one of these before, we do love to get questions and try to answer as many of them as we can. You can post those via the Q&A button, which is on your Zoom controls. And then I'll be able to see those as we go. If they're relevant, I'll try and cover them. I might cover one or two of them during the show. Otherwise, we'll do our best to cover them at the end. So we've got a pretty packed agenda today. First of all, some quick introductions. Then we'll talk about why would you think about integrating SMS and voice in the first place, and some of the use cases that you do this in, and also the challenges that you might solve with this before Bicom's going to take us through how it works. And then, very exciting, they've got a real-life example from a real customer, Newcom. So they're going to walk through what they've done before we cover any Q&A that you folks have at the end. So I'll let three other main speakers introduce themselves. Should I? You know what? I might actually let you guys introduce yourselves as you go. So we've got two people from Bicom, Yasmina and Biljana, and then Camillo is the CTO of Newcom. So we will get to those folks as we go. So in terms of your hosts today, I'll let Yasmina quickly introduce Bicom and what they do. And then, I'll talk a little about Telnix.
Thank you, Simon. So I'm Yasmina Jurisic, Partner Success Manager here at Bicom Systems. So we are one of the pioneers in the world of unified communication. We've been creating solutions for almost 2 decades now. We've got a whole lineup of fantastic products, from essentials like PBX Sphere to unified communication tools and call center features. We basically offer everything you need to communicate, collaborate, and to connect. So to break it down, we've got 5 main products that make communication hassle-free. So first one is PBX Sphere that comes in multi-tenant business and call center edition. Soon we will have omnichannel as well. Then Serverware and our apps, Glaucom and Glaucom Go, that help you stay connected on the go no matter where you are. We have a meeting, which makes it easier for teams to collaborate. And we also have our top-notch security solution, Cyprot. With these, we provide stable business communication solutions tailored to the needs of small and medium telecom service providers. Of course, it's important to mention that we have a great partnership with Telnix, a platform that provides carrier services. And with Telnix, we offer easy configuration, integration, and management and analysis of voice and messaging needs. And I will give the mic back to Simon to tell something more about Telnix.
Yeah, so I'm hopeful that most of you are already familiar with us, since I could see so many of you came in from our own customer and contact list. But yeah, as you know, we make tools for developers and tech companies like Bicom, among other tools for other folks, for particularly on the voice and messaging side. We also do some really cool stuff around wireless, storage, video, things like Microsoft Teams integration. But yeah, today we're not really here to talk about us. We try not to do that in any of our shows. What we do try to talk about is the why and the how of the fun stuff, the technology. So a question, if any of you have attended my previous webinars or any of my peers' previous webinars, we talk a lot about this idea of unified communications and why you should sort of integrate things like SMS and voice, including DIDS, which stands for Direct Inward Dialing. I hope I'm right about that one. More of a messaging guy myself. And the reason is your customers prefer SMS. That's not just, I'm sure you've all seen statistics saying everyone, that everyone likes getting marketing messages and that they have really high engagement. There's also data we've got that suggests that customers prefer to conduct two-way interactions, for example, customer service via SMS as well. And when you integrate this with your voice infrastructure, the agent performance improves, issues get resolved faster, they're not spending time clicking and switching between different tools. From a customer standpoint, they've got this feeling of almost like a one-to-one interaction with a company with a single number. And then you can get to that sort of nirvana that we sometimes talk about of an omni-channel experience. So in terms of some of the use cases that this sort of approach solves, I'll let Yasmina explain that in a little more depth as to what you can do with integrated voice and SMS and industries and so on.
Thanks, Simon. You gave us a nice overview of why synchronizing SMS with voice it's an excellent idea. But now let's think about some typical use cases and challenges SMS solve in different industries or different roles. And let's start with customer service, where benefits of SMS are the most obvious. So in customer service, two things are important. So one, being always there, and two, providing solutions fast and accurate. Nowadays, many businesses utilize SMS and customer service purposes to achieve different goals, like instant communication, where SMS enables businesses to provide instant updates to customers, such as order confirmations, shipment trackings, appointment reminders. So this real-time communication fosters a sense of trust and reliability. Also, goal is easy accessibility. Everyone have a phone and SMS, and if you get creative, you can also use it for other purposes, such as 2FA, feedback collection, and anything that comes to your mind. And another interesting use case of SMS is, of course, in the field of marketing and sales. SMS offers here a direct and immediate channel for delivering promotional messages, discounts, maybe some special offers to potential customers, and businesses can actually use SMS to send timely reminders for product launches, exclusive events, ensuring their customers stay informed. You can also use it for some personalized rewards, maybe loyalty programs, and by that you foster a sense of appreciation and you encourage your customers to repeat businesses. And now if we focus on specific industries, we can see massive benefit of SMS utilization. For example, in insurance industry, one of our big customer is in the insurance industry, and for me it was interesting to notice how SMS and MMS are a big thing, especially in US market when it comes to insurance. For example, you have a car accident, it's very convenient to send MMS with a picture of the damage right away to your insurance company. Then in healthcare, it's proving to be a game changer. It enhances communication, patient engagement, overall healthcare outcomes. Again, it could be used for appointment reminders for patients and also maybe medication reminders. And it can be efficiently used to communicate lab results, some follow-ups, and it enables your patients to have a smooth as possible customer experience. Then in hospitality, SMS provides convenient channel for sending reservations, confirmations, updates, and reminders. It can be used for, let's say, info about room availability, check-in instructions, maybe express checkout options. And in COVID, there was an interesting use case in hospitality businesses where because of a lockdown, hotels couldn't get our guests to join. I mean, to buy their services. And because of this, they use SMS to send information about special prices on services they offer, like pools, massages, saunas, to their local community, who are usually not their target customers. So SMS actually kept them going during the crisis. Then government. Many governments use SMS as a tool of communication with citizens, maybe for emergency alerts, to give information about natural disasters, health crisis, or some security concerns, or maybe for tax filings or election information. So just wanted to name few examples, and with this we can conclude that SMS can be actually used in all fields, and it really helps with fast and clear communication. One can get very creative in a way of utilizing SMS. And one of my favorite example is from our customer in South Africa, who created a solution for notifying golf players about tee time. Since there is no internet signal in the field, SMS came as a very handy tool for this purpose. Now back to you, Simon. You probably have few more comments to add on this.
Yeah, I do actually, and even a couple I thought of while you were talking from my own experience. One of them with the inside sales thing, I know of a salesperson. I remember him telling me that he would text CEOs because he found that they were often busy or they were in meetings and they wouldn't never take his calls. And he would send them a text message and he'd often get a reply sometimes when that person was in a meeting saying, yes, I want to talk to you, or no, I don't. I found that very interesting. And then on the healthcare side, certainly I've seen this with doctor practices, for example. Obviously, there's a lot of things you can't necessarily discuss via text, depending on the local regulations. But for example, like someone's doctor texting them saying, hey, can you come in at 10 a.m. instead of 2 p.m., this kind of thing. And having that all integrated with the same number makes life so much easier for customers. So I will just continue on. By the way, I saw someone raise their hand. If you actually send a Q&A, then I can see your question and try and handle it appropriately. So I think I won't go too much into this because it's pretty much a summary of what some of the stuff that Yasmin already touched on in other slides. But where having a unified view is really helpful is basically anything that's customer facing. Where you want to have a view of all previous correspondence and, you know, having a channel, having a method of contact that everybody has, the same as phone. Everyone has an SMS, a number that can send and receive text messages. And then also, those examples of being able to get in touch with someone who might otherwise be a little bit difficult to get hold of. I'm just going to see what this question. I actually have a technical question for Bicom. It might be one of your customers, I'm not sure. So can I throw that one at you guys before you cover the how and why, Yasmina? Or so we'll get into the key requirements, common pitfalls of setup. But before that, I've got this question. Is there any update if Bicom will be implementing any type of updates to bulk messaging? Not sure if Yasmina or Daliba wants to take that one. We can cover it later if you want. So the question is if you'll be implementing any type of updates to bulk messaging. I'm not sure if that's a specific product thing.
Yeah, thank you. I believe I can answer that question. We do have plans to we listen to our partners, which show the needs for the improvements in regard to bulk messaging. We are planning to create lists in our interface, lists of customers, SMS numbers, to be selectable from the bulk SMS interface, so one don't have to upload CSV file each time. So that's probably the biggest change we are going to implement in the future regarding bulk SMS.
Yeah, I think it was in regards to unsubscription they've added. So I'm not sure if you've covered that. Cool. Well, look, I'll continue on with the main show. We can come back to this later if you want. So yeah, Yasmina, it'd be great if you could walk us through how does someone go about integrating. What do you need to do if you want to integrate your SMS and your voice setup?
Yes, thanks, Simon. We said all the benefits in the business, but now let's see how to do it with both Telnix and Bicom. The process of setting up SMS with Telnix and Bicom's PBXware is very, very simple. First, one should decide which one of three options you would choose. So you can purchase number with Telnix, you can port existing number to Telnix, or you can set up hosted SMS with Telnix, which enables users to actually keep voice operations with their other provider, but to transfer only SMS portion to Telnix. And after deciding which way to go, one should create an account on Telnix, then purchase or port numbers, and then create a messaging profile on Telnix. So then it's very important to make inbound settings so you can control how profile handles incoming messages, and of course outbound settings to control how profile sends messages. And here you also should configure some details regarding destinations you would like. And of course, in case you are using voice functionality as well, you need to create SIP connections on Telnix. And the last step, generate API and public key and copy it. With this, the procedure is done on Telnix side, and now you go to Bicom's PBXware, create SMS trunk, add API and public key to it, and only one more step, and that is to assign SMS trunk to tenant you want. So although the procedure is very simple, there are a few pitfalls we notice while working with our customers. Most common issue reported is usually around improper setting of inbound and outbound. And apart from this, customers sometimes forget to complete messaging registration on Telnix side, or maybe forget to allow all destinations they need. But in general, everything is very simple, and we can fix all these issues very quickly. Bicom Systems support is always available, either through tickets or chat, so you can get help in a timely manner. I will stop here since you probably want to hear more about this from our partner who is here with us and is already using PBXware and Telnix. And I will leave you to Biljana, our marketing associate, who will lead Q&A session with our partner Camilo.
Thank you, Yasmina. Hello, everyone. My name is Biljana Milanovic. I am marketing associate at company Bicom Systems, and today with me we have Camilo Andres Rodriguez. He's vice president of the Newcom company. So, Camilo, can you briefly introduce yourself and your organization?
Thank you. My name is Camilo. I'm the vice president of Newcom. We've been around the business for 20 years, working in the US, especially in South Florida. In Latin America, we do have offices in Colombia. We are experts in the VoIP communication solutions, focusing on helping business and call centers with solutions that fit their needs. At Newcom, we make sure that use the latest technology, and we create easy and effective communication tools for our customers.
So why did you need SMS and the IDs integration? How might things have looked without it?
Actually, business continuity, it was actually one of the requirements from our customers. They always ask for that specific need to have that business continuity with their customers. Without SMS and the ID integration, we were very limited to voice communications only, missing out on the convenience and flexibility offered by the text messaging. This could lead to our customers to miss opportunities and reduce customer satisfaction. The good thing about the text messaging, and actually that was mentioned by Simon and by Yasmina, it was the flexibility to reach customers. And actually, that was one of the things that our clientele customers, they require. It's the two-way communication and the flexibility to have text messaging with all the examples that they already were mentioning. We serve customers in all the fields, doctors, shipping companies, etc. We do have a lot of needs for those text messages.
You already mentioned some of the specific challenges, but what specific challenges does integrating these help you overcome? Can you give some more examples? For example, some frustrations that customers had or how long it took?
Before integrating SMS, many of our customers were frustrated by the need to use separate platforms for voice and text communications. This led to fragmented conversation and inconvenience. With SMS integrated into their VoIP services, they now have a unified platform for all their communication needs, which streamlines their workflow and eliminated the need to switch between applications. Basically, that was the most important thing for our customers.
Has integrating SMS with voice numbers impacted your customer experience in any way, for example, satisfaction or resolution times?
Integrating SMS with our VoIP service has had a significant positive impact on our customers' experience. Some of the key ways, it was the in-case communications, faster issue resolutions. That was actually many of the keys for our customers. Better engagement, improving accessibility, business continuity. Definitely, that was the most important thing.
Great. Is there anything you can do now that you couldn't do before?
Absolutely. Integrating SMS and the IDs into our services has opened up several capabilities and opportunities that were not possible before. Some of the feasible cases is a text messaging communication, like I said before, two-way customer interaction. Everything unified in just one platform, that was actually the most important thing.
Are there any other use cases for this in the future?
We were actually having that conversation with my tech group yesterday, and we are very positive that voice bots and AI is going to play a big game here using SMS. Emergency services, we see that is going to be very important. Healthcare and telemedicine, also it's they're requiring doctors, and that particular area is requiring a lot of two-way communication, flexible communication like SMS.
What were your experiences with the Telnix Bicom SMS integration?
We started with the Bicom several years ago. We have several carriers, but actually for the demand of the service, we went with Telnix because they are basically very user-friendly interface. It was very easy to integrate and play that specific service for our customers immediately. That was something that they were looking for many years. They were requiring that service. So with them, that was very easy. It was the easiest way to do it and implement it in our Cloud Central product. That is our flagship.
Do you have any advice for people looking to integrate their voice and SMS solutions?
Actually, no. That's it's look what they need for what they want to do, and actually have the support of both partners. That's the same way that we did. we didn't have any problems. We implemented it, and at this moment, all our customers that are using the service are very happy.
Great, thank you, Camilo. Now back to you, Simon.
Cool. Well, thanks for covering all of that. I think it's always really good to get a real life example. So I can see, talking about questions, I can see there are still a couple in the queue. It looks like a few got answered. But now is your chance to submit some. We can probably go a couple of minutes over time if you need to. So the first question I've got, which I can probably take a stab at this myself. When using SMS, what requirements do I have with the different cell carriers? For example, register campaigns. The short answer to this is it depends where you're sending. If you're in the US, for example, and also the number type you're using. So, for example, if you're in the US and you're sending from a +1 long code number, then you need to be thinking about 10DLC registration. The same applies if you're using a toll-free number. I believe toll-free, of course it does. Toll-free also supports SMS. So I hope that answers your question. I can see there's other ones. Let's see. The next one is, do you have any plans that allow for unlimited inbound like other providers? I'm not sure if you're asking us or you're asking Bicom. I might pass this one to Danilo if he's around.
I'm here. I'm trying to reply in the
All right.
Q&A. So can you repeat what's the question? Because
so the question was, do we have any plans that allow for unlimited inbound like other providers? I'm not clear if this question is, it's directed at us.
If it's directed to us, I'm not aware about any plan related to this, also because costs and fees in the US are always changing and growing, given to the fact the market, tendency market is growing at a super high speed rate. So don't know. At the moment, I have no idea.
If it's in regard to SMS, I know that the carriers charge, I believe the carriers charge when you send messages the other way. So it's something that we just have to stomach. We're not big on passing on. We try not to charge markup on fees. There is another question. The person was asking about compliance, followed up and said for US long code specifically. Yeah, so that's probably 10DLC. But I would also advise, if you're looking at two-way use case like customer service, I would strongly recommend looking at toll-free as well, because it's SMS capable. And if you've got, for example, a cool number like 1-800-Flowers, being able to send and receive text messages from that is great. And then also customers can call you back for free on the same number. Continuing on, I've got another one, which is SMS forwarding either through Telnex or through Bicom/PBX where possible? For example, inbound SMS from a cell phone provider hits our number and then is a Telnex number and then is forwarded to another cell phone number.
Well, currently it's not available through the Bicom platform.
Yeah. This is more platform behavior, exactly. Because it's a matter of taking the text and insert this into a new SMS. There is no real flow.
I believe that Bicom has a product where it takes the SMSs that you receive on a number and then you can access them from an app on your phone. Is that Glowcom?
Yeah, it is Glowcom or Communicator.
There you go. Yeah. So I'm not.
Yeah, you can use Glowcom or Communicator, and all the SMSs are synced between the apps, between desktop, web, or mobile apps.
Yeah,
you're connected.
I'm assuming that's what that person is trying to achieve, is being able to synchronize the interaction. In which case, as the Bicom folks said, they have this product where they sync it up. It's an example of some very clever thinking around SMS, and it's really helpful for things like if you have a personal phone and you want to check your company, like your work-related messages, you probably don't really want to be sending customers text messages from your personal phone. It's kind of blurring the boundaries. But then with an app like that, you can still access your business number and so on.
Yeah. We also have the feature of share DID, where you're able to share one SMS DID between multiple users, and they can all sync the SMS messages and reply to them.
That's quite
inside the app.
Yeah.
It really depends on a use case. We don't have SMS forwarding, like a call forwarding, for example, but it depends on the use case. We can use shared DIDs, for example, or mobile application to see received SMS anytime. I mean, you can use it simultaneously on desktop, mobile, and web, and maybe that could be a solution.
Cool. I've got another question, which is how can we integrate the Telnex SMS with Bicom PBXware MT? I feel like this is a good question for Dilip or Samir.
Yeah. It's a question for me. Well, integration is very easy. First, of course, you need a Telnex account, and then you need to enter webhook from our PBXware to the Telnex in the Telnex interface, so Telnex knows where to forward the SMS messages. Enter the credentials to be able to send and receive messages, and basically that's it. If you have a Glowcom, it will work. I mean, we have a seamless integration. So.
Oh,
and also we have a good documentation. We have everything well documented, even how to set up everything in the Telnex interface and in the PBXware interface. So it should be very easy. And in case you have any issues, of course, you can always contact our support to get some help.
Cool. I'm aware we've gone a little over time, so I'm going to start winding up. I might try and do one or two more questions. Which is first, but in the meantime, if you do have more questions and you feel you didn't get them covered today, both of us have our own amazing, very innovative contact form. You just go to the Bicom website or the Telnex website /contact us, and you can speak to someone. If you're lucky, it might be one of us. So someone asked about Telnex MS Teams and direct routing. Can SMS be integrated with SMS Teams? That is a separate question we might have to answer later, but I'm working on the Microsoft Teams integration myself, so if you want to drop that on the contact us page, and then someone can walk you through it. And then let me see. So yeah, it doesn't quite apply here, and I have to go and double check the SMS part. I definitely know you can do it with Bicom. Yeah, I think that's actually all the questions. So if you have other stuff you want to ask about, or you just want to chat, just go to bicomsystems.com/contact us to talk to them, or telnex.com/contact us, and we will be in touch.